two things. One, the language is a huge issue. One of the things that you have to do with operations science is you have to translate the terms. So when we talk about the time it takes from, say, when you start coding a particular routine until you finish, we would call that the cycle time. If somebody else calls that coding time, you have to call it coding time when you're teaching these concepts to them, or otherwise, I mean, some people might make the translation, but you just put up a barrier, because, engineers in particular are always going to tell you, why something doesn't work. So when you give the concepts to them in their language, it becomes very powerful. And then the emotional part, operation science is really, really helpful for that, because we're not here to say, if you're applying operation science in your business, I'm not here to tell you like, oh no, you need to write 5 routines a week and you need to have 10 engineers. I'm just here to say, look, if you do A, you get B. If you do C, you get D. And I can show you how the math works and the science works so that you can determine that. So it then becomes a common framework now. So this is why we say you don't really need consulting, because once people understand operation science, they take the concepts and they apply it to their work much better than some consultant who parachutes in from the outside could do. So it's very powerful in that respect.
Yeah, so it sounds like it's a compass that shows the right way
Absolutely. Yes.
for you to determine which way you should go.
Yes. I mean,
So
it's going to say, typically what happens when you look at things and you make a model, it's going to say, oh, you want to go north. Okay, great. So that's your choice. And it'll just say, okay, yes, you are going north. And so you're going to get to where you want to go.